Stop.
Why does your phone always ring on Saturday mornings?
It is the most scary sound in the entire world. I always jump out of bed.
Hello, friends. Ready for your daily dose of effortless English? I'm Tina.
And I'm Leo, your daily disaster. I really hate weekend work calls.
Today, we are talking about weekend work calls. They always ruin your beautiful weekend plans.
Yes, you just want to rest in your warm bed, but your boss calls you early.
You feel nervous. You panic and say the wrong things to your boss.
That happens to me every single time. I always say something completely stupid.
We will fix that today. Today, you'll walk away with 3 magic phrases. Ready? Let's preview. Phrase 1, tied up. It means you are very busy with something.
Tied up. Like someone tied me to a chair with a heavy rope?
No, just busy. Phrase 2, it's on me. It means you will pay for something.
It's on me. So I buy the hot coffee for my friend, right?
Exactly. Phrase 3, sleep in. It means sleeping late in the morning.
Sleep in. That is absolutely my favorite hobby in the whole wide world.
Use them tomorrow and your conversations will flow smoothly. Now, let's look at a bad example. Listen to Leo on a Saturday morning.
Hello, boss? Yes, I am still in my bed. I am resting.
Leo, I need you to check the new sales report. It is very urgent.
But boss, I cannot work today. I very like my bed.
Excuse me? You like your bed? What does that even mean?
Yes, and my brother is visiting me today. He very busy.
What does your brother have to do with this important report?
Wait, my room is too dark. I need to open the light.
Oh no, Leo, that just made it worse. You sound so confused.
I panicked. I forgot all my English words. My brain just stopped working completely. I wanted to cry. I just wanted to enjoy my peaceful Saturday morning with my coffee.
Many people make these exact same mistakes every day. They translate directly from their native language. Sounds familiar? Don't worry, we've got the fix. All right, Leo, time to put it into action. Let's jump into some real-life scenes.
I am ready. Please save me from my angry boss. I need your help.
Let's start with the first scene. It is Saturday morning in your bedroom.
The best place in the world. The morning sun is shining brightly through the window.
You want to sleep late. How do you say that in simple English?
I usually say, I want to sleep late today. Is that wrong?
That is okay. But native speakers use our special phrase. They say, sleep in.
Got it. So I can say, I want to sleep in today. That sounds easy.
Perfect. But suddenly, your phone starts ringing very loudly next to your head.
Oh no, I do not want to answer it. I want to hide.
It is your coworker. He needs your help with a big project.
I tell him I am very busy. I cannot help him right now.
Let's make it sound more polite. Use our phrase, tied up.
Oh, like, sorry, I am tied up right now?
Yes, it sounds much better than saying, you are just busy.
So you mean it sounds more professional to my coworker?
Exactly. Let's practice this whole bedroom scene together. Are you ready? Hey, Leo, sorry to call you so early on a beautiful Saturday.
Hi, Tina. It is okay, but I was trying to sleep in.
I know, but can you check the important email I just sent?
I am really sorry. I am tied up this morning.
No problem. I will ask someone else for help with this.
Thank you for understanding. We can talk about it on Monday.
Great job, Leo! That was a perfect, polite rejection.
I feel so powerful now. I can protect my weekends from everyone.
But wait, the next one is even trickier.
Oh boy. What is the next difficult situation? I am getting nervous again.
Scene 2. You go outside to the delivery station near your house.
I am picking up my delicious weekend breakfast from the driver.
Yes, but you were on the phone with your boss for a long time.
So I made the delivery driver wait for a very long time?
Exactly. He is standing outside in the cold wind, waiting for you.
I feel so bad. I should say sorry to him immediately. He looks angry.
He is probably very tired. Delivery drivers work very hard on weekends.
That is true. I want to be polite to him.
Yes. First, tell him why you were late. Use our first phrase.
Sorry for the wait. I was tied up with a work call.
Excellent. Now, you want to buy him a hot drink to apologize.
I usually say, I will pay for your hot drink.
That works. But let's use our third phrase. It's on me.
Got it. So I say, let me buy you a coffee. It's on me.
Yes. It shows you really want to do something nice for him.
So you mean it sounds more friendly and generous to a stranger?
Exactly. Let's role-play this delivery station scene right now.
Hello, are you the delivery driver for room 302?
Yes, I am. I have been waiting here for 10 whole minutes.
I am so sorry. I was tied up with a work call.
It is fine. Here is your hot breakfast bag.
Please take this extra money for a coffee. It's on me.
Oh, thank you. That is very kind of you. Have a good day.
You too. Stay warm out there on the road.
See, you handled that perfectly. You used the phrases naturally.
Tina, I have to tell you a funny story about this.
Oh boy. What happened this time, Leo?
Last month, I wanted to sleep in on a quiet Sunday morning.
Did your boss call you again? He never stops calling you.
Yes, he asked me to join a quick online video meeting.
Did you tell him you were tied up?
I did. I said I was tied up with some important family business.
That sounds like a very smart excuse to use.
But I forgot to turn off my computer microphone.
Oh no. What did your boss hear through the computer?
He heard my video game music. It was very loud and clear.
That is terrible. What did you do next?
I bought him an expensive lunch the next day. I said, it's on me.
Remember the awkward moment from the start? Watch Leo do it right.
Hello, boss. Good morning. How are you today?
Leo, I need you to check the new sales report right now.
Sorry, boss. I was trying to sleep in today.
But this is a very urgent situation for our big client.
I understand, but I am tied up with my family right now.
Oh, I see. I will ask David to do it instead.
Thank you. Let's get coffee on Monday. It's on me.
Sounds good. Enjoy your weekend, Leo.
That felt so much better. I did not panic at all.
You did great. You sounded very polite and professional.
I am so proud of myself. I can finally relax.
Let's quickly review our 3 magic phrases for today. Phrase 1. Tied up.
I am tied up with work. I cannot go out.
Phrase 2. It's on me.
Dinner is on me tonight. Order anything you want.
Phrase 3. Sleep in.
I always sleep in on Sundays. It is the best.
Drop your favorite phrase in the comments. We read every one.
Tell us your funny weekend stories too. We love reading them.
Next time, we'll crack another small talk myth. You won't want to miss it.
Keep practicing your English every single day with us.
Finally, don't forget our slogan, your daily dose of effortless English. See you next time. Bye.
Bye, friends. Enjoy your beautiful weekends and remember to sleep in.